What is going on out there, peeps? Okay, so the last time we went over stock watch, we at one time were up 40%, then it retracted down to 30%, and then we gained some of that back, and I think we were at around 34 36% the last time we checked in. I'm going to say the market is looking a little bullish. I'm sorry, I love that. Pit bullish. So, anyways, this is my bodyguard, Pimpy. All right. So, when we start talking about money and we're making as much money as we are on the list that I'm showing you, I need somebody to protect my gains. So here he is. This is Pimpy the Pit Bull. He is not playing around. He's gonna make sure that nobody steals my money. So let's get into something here real quick. All right, you guys, just a quick reminder that I do have a Facebook group with the same name as the YouTube channel. I will leave a link in the description. It's free for you to come and join us. In here, we do talk about different stocks and gold, silver, cryptocurrencies, and foreign currency investments. All right, it's free to join. Free 99. All right. The hidden things in front of your eyes is for those people who like to keep up on current events, but also it's a conspiracy type of a group. It's been around for a while now. So I will leave a link in the description. Again, feel free to come join us in there and have a lot of fun. All right. All right. So let's go over what's going on. I already filled in the numbers, but let's kind of see what we are looking at. So look at Discovery Metals is one of the better ones that I told people about. And yes, there is a person in the group. And yes, they put a lot of money when I first talked about this. And I'm excited for their gains. And I mean a lot of money. So to that individual, you're still looking good. And yes, I do believe, because you asked me and I said I would just respond on the video. Do I still think there's a room for gains before you pull it out? Yeah, actually I do. Now it's going to slow down a little bit because of the market. And I'll explain that here in a minute. But I would say leave it alone. It's going to take off. So when we first talked about it back on April 21st, it was 31 cents. It is now 59 and a half cents. All right. That's where it is right now. That's a pretty good gain. Endeavor was at $1.45. It's now at 2.02. Alexco, man, look at that. $1.48. It's now $2.17 a share. First Majestic Silver, man, that's a pretty good little jump. It went from $7.53 to now $9.92. Now, these are the precious metal ones that I'm talking about. And I'm telling you, we might see a slight drop in them because of what's happening. But trust me when I tell you, they are going to take off. I'll explain in a minute. Here's Silvercrest. Was at $6.41. It is now at $9.07. Now, here's the MGM. These are the Vegas ones. I told you guys, and I told you this was going to happen. Back on April 21st, they were less than 50% of their yearly average. And I told you, as soon as Vegas opened up, they would take off. Well, Vegas is now open, and look at what's happening. So back on the 21st, you could have bought shares in the MGM at $13.19. You can now sell those shares at $23.76 if you wanted to, but they are not done going up. They will continue. As people come out of quarantine and want to get the hell away, me included, you're going to want to run over to Vegas. WTI, when I first mentioned it, was actually $1 a share is where it was. But to make it all fair, I said we would keep track of the original values from April 21st. So back then it was $2.11 is now $3.77. It's still going to climb as oil markets rebound. Look at Win all of a sudden starting to make a run for it. So it's $70.40. Win is now at 108.80. XRP, I give up on XRP. I got to be honest with you, man, because they don't seem to want to move at all. They've been bouncing back and forth between 17 cents and 23 cents now for years. Look at this, XLM. If you'd have pumped in $10,000 back then for 5 cents a share, is now 8 cents a coin now. That's a pretty good jump, man. They're at least doing something unlike XRP. Of course, my favorite is Ethereum. You could have got it at 173.41. It is now about $70 more at 246.92. USAA Precious Metals was at $17.06. It is now at 18.61. Bitcoin trying to make a little run. You can see it making a little run over here. Actually, since I put these in, some of these have changed. So let's take a look at where we are. 24.619. Okay, 24.619. Okay. And XLM, has it gone anywhere? XLM still at 8 cents. Okay, but in all fairness, let's come over here to Bitcoin 983, 89. There we go. Okay, so Perth Mint. Perth was negative the last time. They had lost more money than we originally have invested in, but you can see it went up a little bit again. Drexion's another one of those biggies for me. They do pretty good, but they're at $63.90, are now up to $93.09. Okay, look at Las Vegas Sands, another one of those Vegas ones. $40.72 is now at $55.64. Malco, another Vegas one. $13.80 is now $18.82. So remember, we went up to 40% of our initial investment. Then it dropped back down to 30%. Then it went back up a little bit to about 34, 36%. Did we catch it? Did we pass it? Did we go lower? Woo, on $180,000, you would have a return right now of $76,763, and that is before taxes and fees. Yes, we're up over the 40 mark. 43% gain on your original investment. This is another one I've started keeping track of. Nova Resources is pretty big. Let me tell you what's going on with them. They have developed a type of technology that can scan the earth like a radar and tell you approximately how much gold is underneath there and how deep it is. So that's something that's really impressive. How I would love to have something like that. So anyways, they have developed some equipment, and yeah, that's going to be interesting. I think this is a good buy at $2.37. I'm anticipating it taking off here, and this is just from the other day, so I'll make this one a different date, and then we'll monitor it from there. But yeah, I like that one. I listened to a presentation on it. I liked it a whole lot, and then I decided to put that one there. So here's what's going on with cryptocurrencies, gold and silver. Now, gold and silver, don't be surprised, although silver did go up almost to 18, but don't be surprised if you don't see them drop. And the reason for that is, look at this. The stock market is ridiculous. It's at $27,572. And the reason why I say this is ridiculous is because most of the country is still in quarantine. Most of the country suffered from riots and looting, except for Republican-controlled states did really good about limiting the looting and the rioting and have fully opened up. So a couple of the states, I think, are only at 50% capacity, Republican states I'm talking about. But Democrats continue to try to make things life hell for people who live there. And even with all that, besides the Rona, and despite all the rioting and stuff, look at the market up at $27,572. You know what the record is? $28,329. We are about 800 points away from that. But like I said in my other videos, this is an artificial pump. They're going to pump these numbers up to drive gold and silver values down. It doesn't seem to be working that much, but gold did go down a little bit and silver still went up. So as the markets continue to do good, people who are holding on to gold and silver, for those people who don't know any better, they will start selling it, thinking that it's safe to get back in the market, which is a bad mistake. For those of you waiting for gold and silver to drop in value, even though I'm telling you it will get driven down, I would not wait on it. You can still buy silver, and it's hard to get. Most places you're on a waiting list at this price. If it goes down, even around $16 or $15, you can bet that everybody and their mama are going to try to buy it all up. And it's not going to be easy to get. So you could buy it now, pay a little bit higher, and at least have access to some. Or you can wait till it gets lower, and then you're not going to be able to have access to any. The COMEX has said that they did not want to release the silver that they had, not right now. So they are holding that back from people, which means there's going to be a real shortage here soon, which is going to drive the value of silver up big time. All right, as far as cryptocurrencies, they're on a run again. And one thing about Ether is this. Ethereum has, even when the market drops on it, it stays. It only drops maybe a couple of dollars where other ones drop large amounts. And then it tends to be very consistent. And then goes on these miniature runs, does a little contraction, does a mini run, goes on a little contraction. I told you as we move on The Treasury has turned to Ether to handle their cryptocurrencies. That's right, the U.S. Treasury. They want a gold-backed cryptocurrency that they will have go hand in hand with gold-backed fiat currencies. That is the word, nerd. All right, that's out there. So this is big news for us. So of course, I'd say about 90% of my cryptocurrencies are in Ethereum, and then the rest are in XLM, because at least XLM is moving. XRP doesn't seem to do anything. It's been teetering around the same price now for some time. Anyways, that's where I'm going with this, you guys. Again, if you want to join the Facebook groups, they're free to do so. I will leave a link in the descriptions. As well as for those individuals who want to go buy cryptocurrencies, go into my description, follow the link. It'll take you to Coinbase. Coinbase is the company that's going to be used by our treasury, as well as the platform to sell and buy their cryptocurrencies. So just follow the link. You get $10 just for signing up. It is in the description. It is free to sign up. And once you do, you could go down and earn cryptocurrencies up to $150 for free. All right, so that's free money, you guys. Okay, so we're looking pretty good. Not bad, not bad at all. I think I did pretty good. 43% return. I wouldn't sell my idea, so I'm going to say I'm going to continue to hold. All right, let me know what you think. Hit the like button if you haven't already. Please subscribe, because it does help out the channel. I'll catch you guys later.